Introducing the HiBREW H4C outdoor coffee machine, your perfect companion for coffee in the great outdoors. Today, we're making a delicious espresso coffee surrounded by nature. Start by adding your fresh coffee beans to the HiBREW G4B hand grinder and begin grinding. Enjoy the sound and aroma of freshly ground coffee right where you are. Next, take your ground coffee and place it into the HiBREW H4C outdoor coffee machine. Fill the water tank with clean water, then power on the machine.
OK， 满了没有？没有。OK。
Begin the extraction process and wait as your rich, aromatic espresso flows into your cup. Now relax and enjoy your espresso coffee made with HiBREW, outdoors, in the heart of nature.
哇，这买下去，哎，这买下去，说 OK。